Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to make the cost and budget of a project. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of definition. It got the following characteristics. It allowed to show the specific cost of the development in a draft or final draft. Aims to make known clearly, specifically, and in detail the cost of a project, also to project the budget of a business. The correctly develop the cost of a project is necessary to be very specific and know all the resources that are needed for the elaboration of it. If you are an entrepreneur, you must be able to self-manage this task because it's very probably that you don't have enough money to hire someone, so you need to know how to do it yourself. This tool is used in the stage of definition in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so when we talk about cost and budget of a project, there are a couple of things that are very important. The first thing is that you need to make a list of all the expenses that you have or your business will have, and you have to be very specific with each element. That is extremely important. I recommend to use Excel for this task. Some people have specific programs, but this one is very generic and most of the people already have it. After that, you need to classify all the expenses between fixed cost and variables. That is very important. Fixed cost is the things that are essential for your development. I mean, you need to have a computer, you need to pay utilities. All of that are things that you cannot change and is necessary for your business to work. The variables are the things that change. For example, if you are making cookies, for example, the flour that you need will change depending of the amount of cookies that you make. So for example, for 1 month, you will need a determined amount, but for the next one, probably you will need more. So that is very important. So you need to be very clear that all the resources that you need, even if they look that they are very minimum, you need to put it on the cost. After that, you fix fixed and variable costs, you sort it out, you classify them, and after that you're gonna to develop this table. In this table is very important. Here you put the item, you start but all the fixed cost because those things are the most important because without that you cannot work. And here you put the name of the product or service because maybe you need to hire someone to make a specific task. So here you put it. Here you have two options. You can put the unit value or the hour value. Why? When you are starting a business or a startup, perhaps you don't have enough money to hire someone for all the time. But maybe you can hire someone for a couple of hours. You need to know the value of those hours. Also, if you are buying a specific resource, you need to put the unit, how much just one unit costs. So that is the price of the product or service. Why? Because here you will specify the units or the hours of that person. So here you have to specify the number of units for an hour or for a specific resource. That depends on what you are buying. Some things are very important to make an observation. And in the observation, you put a comment about something in particular of the product or service. Here is very important that you understand that kind of development because sometimes you need to clarify something. After that, you will have the final value. The value is the total cost of the item. After that, after you put everything, this list could be very, very, very long. You will have the total. Total of what? Of how much it costs everything. So here you can make projection. When you make a projection, you make the budget of how much money you will need to develop your um, your business. But that is very important that you are very clear in how much money you need. And because if you are looking for a business partner, it's very probably they like you, okay, how much money is your fixed cost? How much is your variables? What are they? So it's very probable that you need to show this to other people so they could invest in your development. As a conclusion, we can say that elaborate the cost of a project is one of the most important tasks in the whole development of a new business. It is essential to charge reasonable costs for the development and implementation of a project. The vast majority of investors in a project consider this one of the three more important variables to generate a sale or commercialization of a project. Why? Because they will ask you, okay, how much is the fixed cost per month of your business. And after that, you will know if you can use it in a specific way or not. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We already have two courses in Udemy. Here is the link. They are right now in Spanish, but hope we can in the future have a couple of courses in English. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.